Pacquiao. Oh, down goes Thurman!
The plan is to have Algieri knock Pacquiao out.
Yes, but I still got him in the cage. He listens to me very well. I'm gonna let him loose in another round or so.
Round 10?
Round 10 or 11, I'm gonna let him go.
November noong taon 2014, 7 buwan matapos manalo ni Pacquiao sa nooy walang talong boksingero na si Timothy Bradley by all round by unanimous decision para sa WBO Welterweight title.
From Sarangani Province, Philippines, the WBO.
Isa pang undefeated fighter ang sunod na sinagupa ng ating kababayan, kung saan hinarap ng pambansang kamao ang matangkad na si Chris Aguirre ng Amerika. Ang boksingero magbibigay daw ng agresibong labang kay Pacquiao at magpapakita ng isang demoranting panalo sa laban.
Yeah, you know, I'm going to go out there and I'm going to be an aggressive boxer. That's the way that I fight. I throw a lot of punches. I put on a lot of pressure. I set a pace that is very high with a lot of punches thrown, high output. So all my opponents have to adjust to my pace, and for the most part, everybody tires out, and I just dominate down the stretch.
Isang dating World Kickboxing at Karate Association World Welterweight Champion. Naging matagumpay muna ang karera ni Aguirre sa kickboxing na may malinis na kartada sa kanyang pangalan bago ito pumasok sa mundo ng professional boxing. Nagtala ito ng 19 na sunod-sunod na panalo bago napalaban sa isang pandaigdigang kampyonato noong 2014. Binulantang ang Amerika ng talunin ang Russian fighter na si Rustam Komordico noong kasalukuyan WBO World Senior Welterweight Champion.
You just show the boxing world.
I show the boxing world who Chris Algieri is.
Kaya naman tiwala ang kampo ni Aguirre na kaya kontrahin ng kanilang boksingero ang malakidlat at ang bilis ni Pacquiao sa bakbakan. Kaya malaki ang paniniwala ng mga ito na kahit sinong boksingero ang itapat kay Aguirre, kahit pa si Pacquiao, ay tatalunin ito sa laban.
I know how to train my boxer to beat any boxer in the world. So I know Chris Algieri, I know what Chris Algieri can do, and Chris Algieri will beat Manny Pacquiao.
Balikan natin ang naging laban ng ating kababayan kontra sa undefeated US fighter na si Chris Aguirre. Na walang bilib sa bilis na galawan ni Pacquiao sa laban at alamin kung paano nga ba pinabagsak na 6 na bisis ni Pacquiao si Aguirre sa bakbakan. Gamit ang pambihirang lakas at bilis ng pambansang kamao na hindi nito malilimutan.
Training camp, Chris Algieri said a huge part of the focus because of his inexperience, because of the newness of this for him. A huge part of his focus was the mentality of round 1.
Unang bahagi ng laban, resibong Manny Pacquiao na ang bumungad sa dipinsa ni Chris Aguirre. Kaliwat kanang kombinasyon at matatalim na mga suntok mula ulo hanggang budiga na natikman agad ng walang talong boksingero. Nadipinding skill ang bitbit sa bakbakan, pero di gaya ng naunang pahayag ni Aguirre na di daw siya kayang abutin ni Pacquiao. Basta agad sa mukha ang inabot niya sa bakbakan.
So it's very focused. Down goes Algieri on a straight left-hand shot. He's going to say it was a slip, but Gina Rodriguez is going to call it a knockdown.
I agree with that, Jerry.
That definitely was a slip, and it's one of them. That definitely was a slip.
Lucky break for Pacquiao, but it counts as a knockdown.
Honestly, hit him with a good clean punch until right there.
Pacquiao's getting closer and closer to landing something really big and hard. People are able to build rhythm and do better in the second half of the race than the first half of the race. In the first half of the fight, and he builds rhythm.
And that's his plan right here now. He's landed some really 2 good left hooks against Pacquiao already, and he's really starting to try to test Pacquiao and see can he put his gloves on him in a hard lead just then.
Algieri's obviously not awed by the moment.
Pacquiao landed a jab moments ago. Now gets in a body shot. Going to the body might be a good idea. Algieri blocking the right hand upstairs, keeping his left glove pinned to his cheek. Hard right hand by Manny Pacquiao upstairs. Yeah, the conversation between rounds began with Tim Lane twice saying to Algieri, you see what's happening?
Make him punch while he's moving, let some of the power and some of the steam blow off. If he stops and throws his hands more right now, like Harold suggests, he'll be sitting on the canvas pretty short. Wait till the strong punching power is gone, then get into the fight. If it did, maybe we have a better chance of catching. But you see right
hand uppercut by Pacquiao.
You see right there, he's not the fighter. He's still Pacquiao.
And Pacquiao is so physically gifted, athletically.
Suggests to me that Manny Pacquiao wanted to focus on body shots this round, and he has done damage with body shots to Algieri here.
How
Impossible not to. Exactly right. As Roy and I talked over, hard left hand by Pacquiao. Algieri has taken some punishment in this round. 100 more punches than Chris Algieri. The profile coming in was that Pacquiao was not the volume puncher, Algieri was.
Therefore, that should be a legal shot.
Hard left hand by Pacquiao stuns Algieri. And that's going to be the second knockdown of the fight. Algieri's going to say he threw me down, he didn't knock me down, but the bottom line is it counts as a knockdown. And let's see if Algieri's still hurt.
Algieri nodded his head like, yeah, you got me.
They hit him first, and he bumped him, but he did hit him first, so that is a legitimate knockdown, I think.
Extended right hand by Algieri momentarily. Backs Pacquiao, but he keeps coming. Fires away with the left hand. Algieri goes down for the second time. Third time in the fight. And once again, there's water in that corner. And his foot slipped out from under him. And he can't get Rodriguez to listen to him on that point.
No, he should stay out of that corner.
Yup, stay out of that corner.
No question the water was at least partially a factor in that knockdown, but Manny's knocked him down twice in this round. Three official knockdowns now in the fight. Easter's not that kind of fighter.
He can sting him with a shot. He can snap his head back and make him take a backward step or a half step back.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban sa round 8, kahit pamalinaw na kontrolado na ni Pacquiao ang laban, ay patuloy pa rin ito sa pag-atake ni Bachmann kay Aguirre. Tayo sumabay pa sa bakbakan, pero taliwas sa panayam ng kampo ng Aguirre sa kalagitnaan ng bakbakan sa round 9. Na nasa plano na daw raw, nasasabayan ni Aguirre na suntukan si Pacquiao sa round 10. At dito na raw patutulogin ng kanilang boksingero ang Pinoy champion. Bagay na malayo sa katotohanan, lalo pat buksirado na si Aguirre sa bakbakan.
He's gonna put him to sleep here in a few minutes.
The plan is to have Algieri knock Pacquiao out.
Yes, but I still got him in the cage. He listens to me very well. I'm gonna let him loose in another round or so.
Round 10?
Round 10 or 11, I'm gonna let him go.
Well, that's going to make it difficult for the plan to materialize, because there's a question now as to whether Algieri will be able to survive that shot, which was a monster left hand, a sensational straight left cross by Manny Pacquiao that put Algieri on his back. And let's see what Algieri has left.
He doesn't have much left here, and that hurts more because he's already
takes a knee. That's an Algieri method. Take the knee to try to clear his head. So these are knockdowns number 4 and 5. No, 5 and 6.
Okay, great. Okay. All right, let's go.
6 knockdowns in the fight so far for Pacquiao.
Algieri better hold when the fight's over. There he is.
Held for a little while, couldn't hold on long enough.
It's Pacquiao who's out of his cage.
Yeah. Pacquiao in control.
Big guts. Huge guts. And I hope the referee don't jump in too soon and let Pacquiao finish him at least. Because if he doesn't, he jumps in too soon, he'll ruin a good fight.
Nagawa man makatayo ni Aguirre sa mga pinakasolidong suntok ni Pacquiao nagpabagsak sa kanya, pusigido pa rin ang US fighter na tapusin na nasimulang laban nito kay Pacquiao at tanging knockout na lamang ang natatangin niyang panalo sa laban. Dito na mapapatunayan ng kampo ni Aguirre na ibang label ang pambansang kamao sa mga nakalaban ng kanilang boksingero. Nataglay pa rin ang pambihirang lakas at bilis mula umpisa hanggang dulo ng bakbakan.
Pacquiao's a little bit more open in this round as he drops his hand and tries for a knockout. A lot of power, a lot of Pacquiao.
And still WBO welterweight champion of the world, Manny.
Ang panalo nito ni Manny Pacquiao ay ang kalawang matagumpay na pagdepensa sa kanyang WBO welterweight title na kalaunan naagaw naman ng notification title fighter noong 2015 kontra sa sinasabing greatest all the time na si Floyd Mayweather Jr. Kasunod nito ang pagkatalo din ni Chris Aguirre sa kanyang sumunod na laban matapos mabigo sa British fighter na si American via 12 round unanimous decision. Ikaw, Idol, anong masasabi mo sa bakbakan ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye!